Okay, welcome everybody to another lesson on questions. Now, questions in English are tricky. Not only have we got to remember to invert the auxiliary verb and the subject, and we saw that in the previous class, and you did an exercise practicing that. You also have to remember to put in a do and a does and a did for present simple and past simple. However, sadly, it's not as simple as that, because if the question word is object, okay, you need a did, you need a did, you need a does, you need a do. However, if the question word is subject, you do not need a did, a does, or a do. You mustn't use one. Now, what the hell am I talking about? Well, firstly, remember that English sentences, this is a grammar thing, yeah? We have, in English sentences, they usually go subject, for example, I, verb, through, object, a ball. And we have this difference between the doer of the verb, which is called the subject, and the thing which is operated on by the verb, which is called the object. And this is an important difference, and it's particularly important with questions. Because if we look at this first sentence, who did John Lennon marry? John Lennon married Yoko Ono. What I want you to notice is that the who is referring to Yoko Ono, and the who is the object of the answer. Yeah, it's the object. It's the person who was married, who married John Lennon. Yeah, they got married. But it's the objective. It's not the subject. Okay, that's very important. Compare it with this question. Who discovered penicillin? Now, the answer here is Alexander Fleming. So we write it like this. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Notice that in the answer, the subject is the question word. Yeah, the question word is subject. In this one, the question word is the object. So it's only when the question word is the object that we need to use a did. We mustn't use a did in this one. It's not who did discover. It's just who discovered penicillin. Who wrote War and Peace? Yeah, who produced this film? Yeah, something like that. Okay, because the answer is the subject of the sentence. Let's compare now with number 2. Which country did you visit? Now notice that which country here is the question word, and the question word is the object again. Just like Yoko Ono is the object of married, France is the object of visited. So when the question word is the object, we need a